go to the Play Store and search GoPartners. After that, click on the app and install your app. Once the installation is completed, open your app and use your email ID to log in your account. Click Login to log in your account. After login in your app, you will land on your home screen. Here you can see the total amount of daily sale and the total amount of all the sales. Then underneath you can see orders cancelled, orders pending, ongoing orders. On the top left corner you will see notifications. Here you will receive all the notifications from the incoming orders. On the bottom you can see we have three options: home, orders and profile. In orders you will receive all the accepted and order placed orders in order pending. You have multiple statuses related to orders. First is pending, second is order prepared, third is assigned, fourth is in transit, fifth is picked up, sixth is delivered on the way, seventh is completed, eighth is cancelled. On the orders page under pending, here you will change the statuses of your orders. Your new order will also appear under pending. First, accept or reject your order. Then click Change Status. To change the status, after accepting and preparing the order, click Order Prepared and Ready for Pickup. To read about the orders and order details, click on the order. Here you will see all the items that is placed by the customer. Then click on the summary for order summary. Then click on the history about the order statuses. When a new order is placed, you will get a notification sound and a message that a new order has been placed. Press OK. Now you will see all the details about that order. Go back to the home screen. Go to Orders and press Accept the order. This is your profile. Get Started will help you to guide how to use app. Catalog. Under Catalog, you will see all your items, products and the entire menu. By clicking on the product, you can see details of your product. Here you can edit, update the price, change the description, add or remove images. By clicking on the plus icon on the top right corner, you can add new products. By clicking on top right plus button, you can add new categories. These are your store configurations. Under the profile, you can see your analytics, daily, monthly, yearly.